Got a call from Al, my mechanic, and that he preferred that I bring him the car. So I just called AAA. They're on their way. So we're gonna send it over there. As you can see, I pretty much bought everything he told me to get. So I got from Old Man Emu the entire suspension kit, front cross-stroke rotors, rear brakes, cylinders, rust rejuvenator. Pretty much anything and everything that she should need to get going. Get the plates bolted on and send her over. All right, AAA's here. Got lucky again. Real nice guy. So let's get this bad boy out to Al. Yeah, I'll do a lot of things on my car. Sometimes things happen where it doesn't make sense for you to do your own work. When you get a master mechanic, looking to make a name for himself or a brand, and wanting to partner up with you, well then you know what, you take it. So with that said, that's why we're on our way to Al, who's gonna be taking over the build, the lead on the build. I'm gonna be helping out, show up, do this, that, the other, but for the most part it'll be him.